All right, so you're probably wondering why I got the hood up on this beauty today. And I got the hood up because I got a beautiful package from Mishimoto. And if y'all are wondering what's in this little itty bitty box I got here, this would happen to be some nice pretty coil packs, because I did spark plugs but never did the coil packs. And it could be an issue of maybe my knot count's going up because I need coil packs. Maybe they're bad. So, taking care of coil packs today. So, you can go ahead and join me as I take this off real quick. Alright. So, yeah, I'm really struggling to get in this box. It's hot, okay? It's hot. I just got off work again. Speaking of that, I'm wearing my work shirt. Never mind my work shirt. Don't worry about where I work. I work at Hooters. So, coil packs. Oh, they're all over the place. Ignition coils. Boy, ignition coils. Okay, so, coil pack box. Kind of cool. I've never had a car with coil packs before, or until this. Or no, my Camaro had coil packs. But, this is my first time working. But I've never seen a coil pack ordered, you know. So I don't really know how they come. But they're cool. I mean, I'll take the. Does the Honda one have a? I don't know. It says it fits all the Hondas. They look about the same and stuff. So that's all right. We're gonna go ahead and, you know, say that these are them and they're good. So I know they're for this car because this is the only car I ordered anything for. And like I said, it's the only car I have right now with coil packs on it. So we're in a pretty safe bet to go ahead and say that this is the right part. So real quick, I'm gonna open these up, and then I will switch next to where I will be showing y'all how to take these out and replace them. All right, so next up, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna grab our 10mm, I believe it is. So go ahead and pull these coil packs out and get to switching. All right, so got the all coil packs unplugged, unbolted, ready to pop out. So we pop this one out. See, you can't really tell if there's anything wrong with them, but we're gonna replace them anyway, because like I said, it could be that could be why it's having an issue idling and stuff like that. So like I said, the knot count goes really high during idling and stuff, but these are actually really pretty. So it kind of makes me just want to leave my beauty plate off, just so I can kind of show off that I have Mishimoto fucking coil packs, but we're not gonna do that. It's a little bit excessive, I feel. So we're gonna get all these back in, and we're gonna see. I just want to let you know, no way is this video sponsored or anything. I just ordered the Mishimoto coil packs just because when you go to AutoZone and try and get coil packs from AutoZone, their factory OEM coil packs are running you about $177 depending on location and stuff like that in the state that you're in. And so I'm in Northern Nevada. So you know, our tax is going to be different obviously than somebody in California or Texas or Florida or, you know, places like that. So you know, roughly without tax here, they're running us $177 for 10th gen Civic coil packs. So I feel like that's kind of hefty, especially when you, like I said, you can go to Mishimoto on their website, and they just dropped coil packs for the 10th gens Civics. So honestly, if you want to know the truth, I'm gonna go ahead and run Mishimoto all day, especially when you can run the Mishimotos. When I tell you the price, you're probably not gonna believe it, as compared to AutoZone, just basic Duralast crap, to like the Mishimoto brand. Mishimotos are running $123 right now is how much they cost. Like $122, $123, $124, something like that. I think after taxes and shipping, no, shipping was free, but after taxes, it comes out to like $133 or something like that. Because they give you like some gas surcharge or something, which I feel like that's a Cali thing, but I'm not really 100% sure. But anyway, like I said, that's what it's a $50 difference between crappy Duralast and Mishimoto. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Mishimotos all day. Like these actually honestly look even a bit heftier than the factory ones. So Yeah, I don't know if there's any real difference in performance-wise. Obviously, like, you buy coil packs and they're like, oh, it's like, it can do, like, it's meant to meet or exceed OEM specifications, but they never really tell you if it actually exceeds OEM specifications. So, that's kind of what we're hoping for. But, like I said, even, I should have did a side-by-side with the durability, though, and even, like, how they're built. They just... these are a little, like, feel like less brickier than these feel strong and, like, you know, durable. OEM ones don't really feel like they feel strong, you know what I mean, but they don't feel like as nice and as like sturdy and stable as Mishimoto ones. So you know, I'm not bagging on Honda. Like I said, I love Honda. I have a lot of Hondas. I've owned a lot of Hondas. So but I'm just making a general comment of the Mishimoto ones actually even look cool in the engine bay. Let me show you. Look at that. Just the M hits a little different. I know y'all are gonna judge me because we're dirty up in there, but I put my beauty plate on and you can't even tell, so it's all right. Yeah, so give me 1 second. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my trash, and then we're gonna start this and see how it idles. So we're gonna check the knot count, observe, see what happens, and hopefully this was maybe the issue of the knot count getting high. But we're gonna check that in a second, so give me 1 second, I'll be right back.